we see the vector equation of plane and the Cartesian equation of plane. To find the equation of plane, we know a plane passing through point and a perpendicular vector to the plane, that is the normal to the plane. Okay, now we see the examples of the exercise 6.3 of the equation of plane. Here example number 5. Find the vector equation of plane. Find the vector equation of plane passing through the point having position vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap and perpendicular to the vector perpendicular to the vector 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Here, to find the equation of plane, we know only the plane passing through point and normal to the plane. It is a bar and it is n bar, and equation of plane is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. Okay, simple calculation. Here given that plane passing through point I cap plus j cap plus k cap, that is a bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and perpendicular to the vector 4i cap plus 5j cap and plus 6k cap, that is n bar is equal to 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, it is a normal to the plane and it is passing through point. Okay, therefore vector equation of plane is r bar dot a bar is equal to r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. Okay, r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar, and therefore r bar dot 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap is equal to a bar I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot 4i cap plus 5j cap and plus 6k cap. Now we find only the dot product of these two vectors. It is 4 plus 5 plus 6. Dot product, it is a dot product. Okay, multiplication of the components of the corresponding components of the vector I, j, and k. It is a dot product, and therefore vector equation of plane r bar dot 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap is equal to, here 4 plus 6 it is 10 and it is 15. Now it is a vector equation of plane r bar dot n bar is equal to d. It is a vector equation of plane. Vector equation r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. We know only the plane passing through point and a vector perpendicular to the plane, that is the normal to the plane. When we know that normal and passing through point, we find the vector equation of plane. Okay, now Next example. Next, sixth example. Find the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation of a plane. Equation of plane passing through point A -1, 2, 3, and the direction ratios of whose normal are 0, 2 and 5. Here it is a given passing through point and direction ratios, and find the Cartesian equation. And we know that the Cartesian equation of plane, it is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. It is x1 y1 z1 and it is a b c. Here given that plane passing through point it is a x1 y1 and z1. It is a -1, 2 and 3. It is x1 y1 z1, and direction ratios of normal are 0 to 5, that is a comma b comma c, 0, 2 and 5, and therefore Cartesian equation of plane is, okay, see carefully, it is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 and plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay, now calculate a, it is a 0, that is x minus 1, that is x plus 1, plus b 2 into y minus 2 and plus c 5 into z minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, it is a b c, it is x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. Now calculate, it is a 0 plus 2y minus 4 plus 5z minus 15 is equal to 0, and therefore Cartesian equation of plane 2y plus 5z minus 19 is equal to 0. And this equation in the form of ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. It is a Cartesian equation of plane. And then coefficient of x, y, z are the direction ratios of the normal. It is a, b and c. Here a, it is a 0, 0, 2 and 5. 0, 2 and 5 are the direction ratios of the normal. 2y plus 5z minus 19 is equal to 0. It is a Cartesian equation of plane. Now we see next example. Next, example number 7. Find the Cartesian equation of plane passing through point A 7, 8, 6 and parallel to the plane xy plane. Here we want to find the equation of plane. To find the equation of plane, we know the passing through point and normal to the plane, normal or the direction ratios of the normal. Here passing through point is a given. Plane passing through point, it is A, x1, y1, z1. Seven, 8 and it is 6. Okay, plane passing through point. Now we want to find the direction ratios of the normal. Here given that required plane is parallel to xy plane. Okay, here see carefully. It is xy plane, and we know that the line perpendicular to the xy plane, it is a z-axis. Line perpendicular, it is a xy plane. Line perpendicular to the xy plane, it is a z-axis. And here given that our required plane is a parallel to the xy plane. Suppose it is a xy plane and it is our required plane. Both are the parallel, and z-axis is a perpendicular to the xy plane. Therefore, it is a perpendicular to the required plane. Here, required, it is a xy plane and it is a required plane. Both are the parallel, and z-axis is perpendicular to the xy plane. It is a xy plane. Therefore, it is a perpendicular to our required plane. That means z-axis is a normal to the plane. Okay. Therefore, z-axis is normal to required plane, because z-axis is a perpendicular to the xy plane and xy plane is a parallel to the required plane. Therefore, z-axis is perpendicular to the required plane, and direction ratios, therefore direction ratios of z-axis are, it is a 0, 0 and 1. Direction ratios of the z-axis, it is a 0, 0, 1. That means the direction ratios of the normal, that is direction ratios of normal to required plane are, it is A, B and C, 0, 0 and 1. Therefore, Cartesian equation of plane is, it is A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 into x minus 7 plus 0 into y minus 8 and plus 1 into z minus 6 is equal to 0. And therefore, it is 0 plus 0 plus z minus 6 is equal to 0. And therefore, z is equal to 6 or z minus 6 is equal to 0. It is a equation of required plane which is parallel to the xy plane and passing through this point. Okay, z is equal to 6 or z minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we see the next example. next example. Example number 8. The foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin to plane is M 1 0 0. Find the vector equation of plane. Okay, now here given that the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin. Okay, here suppose it is a plane. Okay, it is a plane. Now it is origin. Now we can draw a foot of perpendicular. It is a M 1 0 and 0, and it is O, origin. Okay, here see carefully. The question is find the vector equation of plane, and vector equation of plane, it is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. That means to find the vector equation we know a passing through point and normal to the plane, and here perpendicular drawn from origin, and it is a foot of perpendicular, it is a M. That means OM, it is a normal to the plane. Now here it is a OM, it is a normal to the plane. Okay, we get the normal. Now M is a foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. That means the point M lies on the plane. That means plane passing through point M, and it is a bar. Okay, now we get passing through point and normal, then find the equation of plane. Okay, now here given that the foot of perpendicular drawn from origin O to plane is M. It is 1 0 0. Okay, 1 0 0. That is OM perpendicular to plane and plane passing through M. Okay, plane passing through M. Therefore we take it is a n bar is equal to vector OM, and it is a only I cap. See carefully. M bar, it is I 0 and 0, and it is origin 0 0 0. It is only I cap, and plane passing through point A bar, it is a position vector of point M. Okay, here you can write here position vector of point M is say A bar, and which is again I cap. Okay. Here plane passing through point M whose position vector A bar, and plane perpendicular to the vector OM, that is the n bar. That means it is a normal and it is passing through point, and therefore vector equation of plane is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar, and then r bar dot I cap is equal to I cap dot I cap, and then r bar dot I cap is equal to 1 is the vector equation of plane r bar dot n bar is equal to d. It is a vector equation of plane. See carefully, it is a plane perpendicular to OM and M is a foot of perpendicular, therefore M point on the plane, that means plane passing through point M, whose position vector we take a bar. See carefully, it is a vector equation.